Project Kawasaki time. About to pull the motor out of that bad boy. And then we're gonna sell it on eBay. And then we're gonna put a 500 in its place. Then I'm gonna ride it around like a lunatic. All right, ready to get this started? We got this CRF150 kind of hanging out. Got started on that recently with my son. We got all the brake parts pulled off. We're gonna send this stuff over to Armor Pro over in the United Kingdom. Dave over there is gonna hook us up with some cerakote. And we got the brakes pulled off the 450 already. So we're gonna get started with the motor, get this thing out of here and get it formally listed on eBay. So watch me tear this thing down. You get to see them brakes I was talking about that just came back from the United Kingdom. As this update right now is taking place probably at least a month after I tore down the bike and got it all to where it is now. So let's take a look at these brakes.
Oh, so fabulous. Brakes for the 150R right here. Got the bronze stuff, some tungsten gray and some black over here. These are the 450 brakes that are going on the KX500 build. So as you'll see at the end of the video, I had it busted down. I still had the forks in it. So there's where the 450 sits now. Here's my YZ125 project, and here's the 150R project, and my busted ass chainsaw. So anyways, you guys should check out Armor Pro. He's really doing a great job with the cerakote. If you need anything done, he is over in the United Kingdom, but shipping is actually a lot more reasonable than you'd think. Especially with priority mail flat rate, you can get the stuff over to him pretty quick and he can get it back to you pretty quick. Phenomenal quality, beautiful stuff. He does lots of different colors. I really can't say enough about what he's done for my project here, so big shout out, Dave. I really appreciate it. All right, let's get on to that build so you can see this thing get broken down, and eventually we'll get all this stuff put back together into hopefully a real showstopper. It's been a long day of working for me, so I think that's where we'll call it. Got the rads stripped off. Plastics are all off except the fork guards. The subframe is off. I had previously taken the brakes off. Naturally, the rear wheel's off. So we're gonna break apart the rear suspension and get the swing arm off. Get the swing arm bolt out of there. That's the main thing holding the engine in there. Other than that, just some engine mounts, and the electronics will come with it. So here is the air filter. Look how clean that is. And then a little sneak peek inside the exhaust. It's clean in here too. Of course, you know, it's got some carbon on it, but can't get it to focus. Where's my light? Oh, where are my lights at? All right, well, we'll check that out later. So anyways, it looks good. It's nice and clean. Cleanest dirt bike I've ever owned. So, catch up with you later.